Coloring Dreams.
Hello, kids and toddlers! Today, we're going to draw some yummy and colorful fruits. Are you ready? First, let's draw a dragon fruit. Start with an oval shape for the main body of the fruit. Then, add some flame-like spice around it to show its cool outer skin. Great work! Your dragon fruit looks so awesome! Now, let's draw a pineapple. Start with an oval or slightly rounded rectangle for the body. Next, draw a crisscross line on it to make a pattern. On top, add some pointy leaves for the crown. It's like the pineapple is wearing a leafy hat. Your pineapple is looking fantastic. Next, let's draw some cherries. Start with 2 circles side by side. These are the cherries. Then, add 2 little stems coming out from the top, and connect them with a leaf. Now, let's draw an avocado. Start with an oval shape. And inside it, draw another smaller oval for the seed. Wow, your avocado looks so smooth and yummy! Let's move on to the grapes. Start by drawing a curvy stem on top and a leaf next to it. Your stem and leaf look fantastic! Great job! Add a bunch of small circles close together. These are the grapes. Your grapes look so fresh and tasty. Finally, let's draw a slice of watermelon. Watermelons are made of 90% water. Your watermelon slice looks so juicy. Great work! Wow! Look at all the amazing fruits you've drawn: a dragon fruit, pineapple, cherries, avocado, grapes, and watermelon slice. These fruits are not only fun to draw, but also full of vitamins to keep you strong and healthy. You did an amazing job! Are you ready to color step by step with me? Let's begin!
Green.
Let's start with dragon fruit. First, color the little green spikes. Use a bright green to make it pop. Isn't that a fun color?
Pink.
Now, color the outside part, which look like flames, in a bright pink. Did you know? Dragon fruits are sweet and full of tiny black seeds inside. They grow on cactus plants. So cool, right?
Dragon fruit.
Your dragon fruit looks so colorful and amazing!
Dragon fruit.
Next, let's color the pineapple. Start with leaves on top. let's color them a fresh green.
Pineapple. Orange.
Now, for the main part of the pineapple, use a sunny orange to fill it in. Whoa! Your pineapple looks like it's ready to eat!
Pineapple.
Time for the cherries! Start by coloring the stems and the leaf.
Red.
Next, color the 2 round cherries a juicy red.
Cherry.
Your cherries look so sweet and shiny, great job!
Cherry.
Now, let's color the avocado. First, color the outside layer, the skin, in a dark green. Avocados are creamy and super healthy. Next, color the inside layer, a soft, light green.
Avocado. Brown.
Finally, color the big seed in the middle a brown and also the stem. Ooh, your avocado looks so smooth and delicious.
Avocado.
Now, let's color the grape. Start by coloring the leaf and stem with green. Grapes grow in bunches, and they can be green, red, or purple.
Purple.
Then color each grape in a bright purple. Try and make them all look shiny and round.
Grapes.
Your bunch of grapes looks so fresh and tasty.
Grapes.
Finally, let's color the watermelon slice. Start by coloring the outer rind a dark green.
Watermelon.
Next, color the inner layer of the rind a lighter green. Now for the juicy part, use a bright red or pink. Your watermelon slice looks so juicy, amazing job! Don't forget the little black seeds.
Watermelon.
Wow! Look at all the fruits you've colored: dragon fruit, pineapple, cherries, avocado, grapes, and a watermelon slice. They look so bright and yummy! Fruits are not only fun to color, but also super healthy to eat. Great work today, kids! Don't forget to share your colorful artwork with your family and friends.
Dragon fruit. Pineapple. Cherry. Avocado. Grapes. Watermelon.
See you next time for more fun drawing and coloring adventures. Bye for now, and keep being creative.